In this video, we're going to show you how we colour hair at NewTimes Hair. The first thing we need to do is bleach the hair. How exactly we bleach it depends on the type of hair and the colour that the client wants. We can then colour the hair according to the colour sample or the colouring. With the hair now dry, we can compare it against the colour sample. How do we know that the colour is going to last and it's not going to fade? Well, we're going to show you what we do. When we pull the hair out, you can see that the water is still clear. This means the colour has not faded. We also do a little test so that we know that the hair is not going to tangle. So we'll wash the hair with detergent, and this will take off the protective oil on the hair. If the hair does not tangle at this stage, it means the hair is good and it's neither damaged nor under-processed, and it will not tangle at a later date. NewTimes Hair tests all the hair that we use in our hair pieces, and you're assured of top quality hair.